So I'm about to show you the difference on the sides. I've done the right hand side, which is the passenger side, and the driver's side is what we're doing next. Get the left. And check this out. That's the new one. Alright. That's the new one. And that there's the old one. I know. You can see the difference between the two. Okay. Look at that. That's just the cap, right? But still, you can see that the grommet here is actually holding this in place. This one here is done, right? So we're not going to get into showing you the spring rate on both the old and new strut because we don't have a spring compressor to take the old spring off. So as you can see, I have the jack supporting the stand again. And again, it's always recommended that you do that. It adds for extra support. So for the sake of daylight, we took off the tire as we did the rear. See the front, I got the brown bolts. And you can see the strut bolts right here. This here is the ABS sensor wire. Okay, so you gotta be careful not to break that. And down here is one of the strut bolts. This is strut bolt number 2. Okay, and then you also have to take off the sway bar link. Okay, and on top here you have the 3 bolts. And you drop these last 3, these 3 last, and the strut will just drop down. Hi there, and thank you for watching. Albeit the video on struts was brief, but so was the daylight and so was the battery. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on how to get struts done from beginning to end, along with tips and tricks to help you along the way. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mark. I have many years of professional working experience in the automotive industry, from car audio and security to auto dismantling, as well as my apprenticeship. I have learned many tips and tricks that may help you along the way. If you have any questions or there's a video that you'd like to see, feel free to drop me a message. Also, let me know how I can improve my channel for your experience. When you're done watching a video, feel free to leave a comment. You can like it, you can dislike it, or you can share it. That's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe and click on your notifications as I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thanks for watching.